Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to understand the differences in the bacterial cell wall structure of gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. So let's look at the gram-positive bacteria first. If we notice the differences, the gram-positive bacteria has a very thick peptidoglycan layer, whereas a gram-negative bacteria has a very thin peptidoglycan layer. The gram-positive bacteria has only one phospholipid bilayer. So these cell wall differences between the gram-positive bacteria and the gram-negative bacteria result in the differential staining. Now that you know the differences in the cell wall structure of the gram-positive bacteria and the gram-negative bacteria, make sure to check out our video on the gram staining, wherein you'll get a clear idea on why and how these two bacteria stain differently. That's all we have for today. Thank you.